Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this Sigma Third. This is a light system for the front side of your vehicle, of your bicycle vehicle, with 150 lumen. The part has to be installed on your front side. We have here performance. A Sigma bike light shines at 30 lux and offers a light range of 40 meters. The front light is small, it works without a dynamo, and it is STVZO approved. Straßenverkehrszulassungsordnung. Lighting duration. The detachable bike light is extremely economical and with up to 15 hours of runtime in ECO mode and 2 different lighting modes to ensure the optimal lightnings and added safety on it. We have a good technology because the 2-stage battery indicator of the LED bike light is splash proof in accordance with the IPX4 standard. Thanks to the silicone holder, the installation is really easy without the need for bike tools. And we have its safety here. The battery-powered front light is STVZO approved and provides sufficient light and improved visibility for evening tours through the city. And the scope here comes with the Sigma Aura 30 front bike. Its light is supplied with batteries 2AA, and the bike light weighs only 70 grams, including the bracket and without the batteries. Sigma, even after 40 years, they continue to show cyclists like us the way with that product. The spectrum range from the GPS bike computers, bike lights and helmets, lights to the development of apps. The products are always developed using the latest technology in such a way that they function optimally and offers a more enjoyable and sporty activity for us. Sigma Sports, freedom, innovation, precision, creativity, and safety. 40 years of passion for sport and technology. The innovative products, fun, and safety while cycling. Long lasting and inexpensive battery light. With 30 lux and a range of 40 meters, the Aura 30 is our perfect companion for everyday use in city traffic. It is STVZO approved and 2 light modes are available. Occasional cyclists and school children in particle appreciate this easy handling, long light duration and a simply battery replacement. Really cool, easy battery change included. The battery lights powered by 2 standard AA batteries, which are included in the scope of delivery, but you can of course use them to replace them easily. Because we have a battery indicator, the switch on the button on the Aura 30 also functions as a battery encoder, so you can see it how it will be illuminated. And we have 2 light modes. In standard mode, the Aura 30 shines for around 5 hours, up to 15 hours in ECO mode, because of the 2 options. And we have switch-on protection. The switch-on protection means this function prevents unintentional switching on, for example, in our pocket while we are wearing it in our pocket, for example. And it's splash-proof. The Aura 30 is protected against splash, water, and according in the international IPX4 standard. So that's cool. Maximum light duration 15 hours and 30 lux, 2 AA batteries, and we have a battery indicator. The Aura 30. This is cool. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.